Best Shopify apps in 2025. Grow your online store faster and smarter. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle, where we help you turn clicks into coins and side hustles into real income. Now if you're running a Shopify store in 2025, whether you're dropshipping, selling digital products, or managing inventory out of your bedroom, one thing's for sure. The right apps make all the difference. The difference between "I made 2 sales this week" and "I'm getting orders while I sleep" often comes down to which tools you're using. So in today's video, I'm breaking down the best Shopify apps in 2025, the ones that help you boost sales, speed up your store, recover lost carts, and actually make money. No fluff. No outdated stuff. Just the real tools you should be using this year. Starting with an app that literally helps you make money while doing nothing. 1. Klaviyo. Email and SMS marketing automation. If you're not building an email list, you're leaving money on the table. Period. Klaviyo lets you create automated flows that convert visitors into subscribers, and subscribers into buyers. Birthday emails. Abandoned cart reminders. Product recommendations. All hands off. All working 24/7. The best part? It syncs perfectly with Shopify, and you can track revenue from every email or SMS campaign. If you're serious about scaling, Klaviyo is a must. Coming up next. 2. Reconvert. Thank you page upsells. You know when someone finishes buying and lands on a boring thank you page? Yeah. Reconvert turns that into another sales opportunity. It lets you add upsells, birthday collection, order tracking, and discount offers, right on the post-purchase screen. People are still in buyer mode, so it's the perfect time to show them one more offer. Set it up once. Let it run forever. At number 3 we have Pagefly, custom landing pages that actually convert. Sometimes, Shopify themes just don't cut it. You need custom landing pages for promos, product launches, or split testing. Pagefly gives you full control. Drag and drop design, mobile optimization, pre-built templates, and it works seamlessly with your store. If you're running ads or influencers are shouting out your products, Pagefly can 3x your conversions just by improving your layout. At number 4 we have Judge.me, product reviews that build trust. No one buys anything without reading reviews. Judge.me lets your customers leave star ratings, photo reviews, and testimonials right on your product pages, boosting trust instantly. It's simple, fast, and lightweight, and it sends review request emails automatically. Social proof. Delivered. At number 5 we have Looks, visual reviews with photos and video. Now if you want something even flashier, Looks is a beast. It takes the review game to another level with Instagram-style image grids, video testimonials, and even customer galleries. Great for fashion, skincare, or anything visual. If you're selling products that look good in real life, Looks sells it better. 6. Gem Pages, AI-powered page builder, new in 2025. This one is blowing up in 2025. Gem Pages now has an AI-driven builder that helps you design product pages based on your niche and best-selling layouts. It gives you suggestions based on store type, season, and trending funnel formats. No design skills needed. Just plug in your product and let AI build the page. 7. Aftership, smart order tracking. Aftership helps you reduce "Where is my order?" messages by 90%. You connect it to your store, and your customers get real-time updates with a branded tracking page. They don't have to go to 17track or send you DMs. They see everything right from your store. It's a lifesaver for dropshippers and print-on-demand sellers who ship globally. 8. Zipify one-click upsell. Maximize AOV. Zipify lets you add post-purchase upsells that customers can accept with a single click. No re-entering payment details. It's like McDonald's asking, "Would you like fries with that?" And it works. You can boost your average order value overnight, with zero pressure on the buyer. Set rules, test different offers, and watch your profit margins grow. 9. TikTok and Instagram feed apps. In 2025, visual content is king. If you're not connecting your TikTok or IG to your product pages, you're missing trust and traffic. There are lightweight apps that display your latest Reels, TikToks, or IG posts directly under your product or homepage. Social proof meets dynamic content. Customers get a vibe check before they buy. 10. Bundler. Smart product bundles. Want to sell more by doing less? Bundle your products. Bundler lets you create product bundles, buy 2 get 1 offers, or frequently bought together suggestions, right on your product page. It's one of the fastest ways to boost average order value without increasing ad spend. Now you might be asking, do I need all 10 of these? No. You only need the ones that match your current stage and store type. If you're just starting, get Judge.me, Reconvert, and Klaviyo. If you're scaling, add Zipify Upsell, Pagefly, or Aftership. If you're focused on content, plug in TikTok feeds, looks, and maybe gem pages. The truth is, the best Shopify stores in 2025 are not the ones with the most products. They're the ones with the smartest tools working in the background. So let's wrap this up. The right apps can help you make more money per customer, save time with automation, improve your store's design and trust, reduce support messages, and give your visitors a reason to come back. Let me know in the comments, which Shopify apps are you using right now? Or which one are you excited to try after watching this? And hey, if this video helped, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell so you never miss another tip from Dropshipping Hustle. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling smart and selling smarter.